Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen.
Mother's Day flower bouquet.
In this video, I'm going to use these types of fabric: yellow, orange, green felt, and then two other different colors. I'm going to use red and pink and white. And I'm also going to use yarn, scissors, thread and needle, bowl, pencil, and paper. Take your fabric. You need about three colors or more colors, and then take something round. I'm using this plate. It's about 15 centimeters here. So here, take your fabric, put here, and use your chalks to draw a circle like this. So draw here, and draw here, and then cut. So take your fabric and then fold this part and fold again this part like this, and go ahead and sew this part. Fold on the right side, fold on the right side. Okay, it's done. It's sewn here. So now turn over here, open here, and turn like this. Okay, so now take your stuffing and insert. After inserting, take your thread and needle and sew here. Do a loose stitch right round. And then pull like that. As you pull, make sure it's well stuffed so you can add more stuffing. like that. After pulling, secure the thread. Okay, so go ahead and do the same process for these other two. Okay, take a cardboard box and make something like this. Okay, I'm using the one I made is about 10 centimeters. And then take felt fabric, green felt fabric, and put in the middle, and just like this. And then sew this part. Okay, it's done like that. So now insert here, and sew. Okay, so here you are. So I went ahead and made more of these like this. So now take a piece of paper and draw a leaf like that, and take green felt. Okay, so you need 6 of these, so I'm going to cut 2 by 2. So put your pattern here and cut. Okay, so now take your leaves. You have 6 leaves, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and take your flowers and put here, okay, like that. All right, and here take this one, fold like that. You can put it like that, fold here and tie here. I'm going to use this to tie. Okay, so now arrange your flowers like this. You can now play around with the colors and the design. Anything you want is okay. wasanie kuona. Mite kurete arigato. Bye.